There are a couple of mid-caps which are still making highs of the day despite the index being off highs. We have Torrent Pharma as well as Divi's Labs at the high point of the day, and alongside we have Jubilant Food as well, which has moved higher as we speak at the high point of the day. But a couple of mid-caps on our radar. Quick Heal, Rima, a buyback likely?
Well, the board has already approved a buyback in the case of Quick Heal. So they said it's going to be a tender buyback. They will buy back up to 63.6 lakh% of the buyback, 25 rupees per share. So reasonable premium from where the stock is currently at. The buyback size is 175 crore rupees. So, well within the cash in the company's books, which stands at little more than 500 crore rupees. The promoter shareholding in this case stands at 72.3%. As of now, we don't have clarity whether the promoters are looking to participate. Now, this stock has been an underperformer, which is why this news is positive for the shareholders. One, it's down 17% in the last 1 year. And if you remember, the IPO price was at 321, I think in February of 2016. So compared to that, the stock has been a serious underperformer. And that's because the company's financials have not been good. And the business model per se, we hardly buy like anti-security or, antiviruses for the hardware computers. And Quick Heal used to largely cater to the B2C segment. Right. Not so much to B2B, which is where the big business was. The company was transitioning, but even then, it seems to have lost out, which is why the financials were not great and the stock has been an underperformer. But this buyback will come as a bit of a relief to the shareholders. All
right, Rima, we'll keep an eye out on Quick Heal. Remember, the stock has gained about 26% in just the last 1 month, so let's watch out for how much more in terms of an upside there could be on Quick Heal. But a stock which is not doing too well, actually, Bharat Forge, down about 2%, down 32% in the last 1 year, as North America truck orders have slumped 58%, just below 17,000 units in February on a year-on-year basis. Sonia joins in with details. Sonia, third consecutive month of disappointment.
Yes, in fact, it's the second consecutive month of sub 20,000 units in terms of production orders, and that really is the big disappointment this time around. So as you rightly pointed out, 58% year-on-year slump in the North America truck orders at 16,700 units. So Jan and Feb 2019 are the lowest 2-month period since October and November of 2016. Now, FTR says that several OEMs are booked solid for 2019, and that's why the orders are likely to stay in a depressed range at least until 2020. It's important for Bharat Forge because 15% of their revenues comes from the North America market. The last time we spoke with Baba Kalyani, he did mention that, for now the order booking is pretty strong, which is true. The fact that the numbers are slow in these 2 months will reflect 6 to 9 months down the line. So it's really forward earnings that could get impacted because of this. Not just Bharat Forge, but Ramakrishna Forgings will also be impacted. They have about 20% of their business from the North America market. Back to you.
Thank you, Sonia, for that. As we wrap the show, we leave you with some market opinion coming in from Andrew Holland, CEO of Avendus Capital Alternate Strategies, on mid-caps and his top sectoral call. Stay tuned.
There's a bit of NAV helping the kind of mid-markets. I'm not sure how long it'll last. I mean, again, all the beaten down stocks having their day in the sun, but those problems haven't gone away. So I'm not sure that the overall kind of open interest in a lot of these things have changed so dramatically. So enjoy while you can, but I'm not sure that I'd be chasing. I mean, individual stocks that aside, the quality ones, I don't think I'd be kind of rushing into some of these other stocks which having their day, but I don't think the fundamentals would justify it. Across our funds, we do have, we do like the IT sector because we think that the dollar at some point will continue to strengthen for the next 3 or 4 months, but thereafter, you'll start to see a decline in the dollar. So for the time being, the IT sector it's been a good place to hide actually, and make money in the past year. But I think a lot of that may have been the price already. I think the big play for me is the financial sector.